So for the second time in a week, we have another tornado warning. And if you notice, it's a yellow tint to the sky. This one's not as nice because it's 2:30 in the afternoon, Central Standard Time. But the booms are pretty intense. You can hear the sound. Try to keep it trained on the sky. It's been booming on and off for probably the last half an hour. I'm sorry, I'm not great at doing the camera work yet. I just pan over to the backyard area. See all the trees. Temperature is roughly 88 degrees with extreme humidity today. It's a humidex warning. This is ripe for a tornado warning, which is exactly what we get. Where I am right now, to make it clear to the people in relation to the United States and Canada, is I am just outside of Fort Frances and 20 minutes from the International Falls, Minnesota border. So we're right on the border. And to the right again. Sorry, we're just doing some yard work out here. It looks more in that area there. It looks more intense. I think we're in for a doozy. That's all it for now, and if it gets more interesting later on in the evening, this maintains, then I'll bring another video to your attention. Okay? Enjoy the video.